Hello everyone, my name is Rahul Singh. Welcome again. Today I will share that how you can install Java in the Windows operating system, Windows-based system. If you want to know that what is Java and the history of Java and what are the features of Java, you can check my latest video in the Java playlist, and you can have the better idea and better learning for the Java programming language. So let's understand that what's and how we can install the Java in the Windows application, Windows operating system. So for the Java installation, we can check first that is that like in some case maybe the Java may be installed in the application system. So we will check first that Java is installed or not. So to check that the same, we will check it through the command prompt system. So how we can check? We will open the command prompt through the window R. We will press window plus R and type here CMD, and it will open the command prompt. And here we can type here like Java dash version. And if Java will be installed, then Java version will be shown here. Like we will see once the Java will be installed, then we will check that how the user interface will be show, and the command prompt will show the Java version on the command prompt. So now let's understand that how we can install Java on the Windows platform, Windows operating system based Windows based system. So let's understand, we'll do it. So we have already checked that Java version is in the system. The Java version is not installed. That's why the Java version is not showing on the prompt. So let's like to install Java, we have to access this link www.oracle.com Java technology/download. So we will use the Chrome browser to go to the Oracle site. I will share this link into the description. You can get that link in through the description. Let's check it into the application, Chrome browser, and it will lead us to the Oracle site. Here I will try to install the JDK 17, Java 17 version. And I have already mentioned that I will install it in the Windows application, Windows operating system based. That's why I will have to navigate to this Windows tab. And here you can click. Actually, my system is x64, 64-bit version. That's why I'm clicking here on the 64-bit. You can check your system uh, architecture that through the system properties. So my system is 64-bit architecture. That's why I'm downloading this Windows 64-bit exe file. And once I will click, the download process will be started. You can see that one download is in the progress. Minute, it will be downloaded successfully. Yeah, let's check that the Java exe file is downloaded properly or not. So I will click on this and I will access the file. So in folder, yeah, Java JDK 17 Windows 64-bit exe file is already downloaded. So to install this, I will double click on this exe file and I will click on the yes button. I will click on the next button, click on the next button again, and Java is getting installed now. It will take some time. Yeah, so it's done now. Java TM development kit 17.0.9 64-bit successfully installed. So I will close it and I will check. Yeah, so let's check that the on the through the command prompt that Java is installed properly or not. So we will open the command prompt system, the window, or I will press and I will type here cmd. Command prompt will be open here and I will type here java space dash version and will click the enter button. And now you can see that here Java version 17.0.9 version is showing. So mean of that the Java is properly installed on my system. We can check through the one more medium, which is control panel. We can check that the Java is installed or not. So to access the control panel, we can type here window R or then control control, and then we will click on the uninstall a program. And here you can see that Java TM development kit 17.0.9 64-bit is installed and showing here in the list of the program. And one more thing that I have not mentioned in the mid of the video, that how you can check your system architecture, that your system is 32-bit or 64-bit. So to check that, you can open your file explorer and click on the this PC option and right click on the same and click here on the properties option. And once you click on the properties of the system, you can see here the system type. And in my case, in my system, it is showing as 64-bit operating system based processor. 64-bit it is. Yeah, so through this way, you can check your system configuration. And on the basis of same, you can decide that which Java uh, version you have to install and which architecture you have to install specific. You can ask if any question regarding the same what we discussed throughout this video. You can ask if you have any question about this. So what we have seen, that how we can install the Java in the window application, window based system. So before to install, we can check that the is Java already installed or not. So to check that, we have like seen that how we can check through the command prompt, and we have the command which is java dash version. And in case if any version is not showing there, then we can start downloading. So I will uh, enter this link in the description. You can get there and you can download the version as per your system configuration. And we have seen that how we can check that Java is already installed. If you already it's not, then you can check through the control panel or command version. That's all for the today. Thank you so much.